Hello everyone, my name is Abdulrahman Almutairi, Section 3, ID number 079, Final Assessment. We all know that there are so many people who die and get injured because of a car accident. We also know that sometimes we miss what happened in an accident. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever had a car crash and the other driver claimed that the fault was yours? In Russia, people say you can get into your car without your bonds on, but never get into a car without a dashcam. The use of a dashcam in Russia is very common, but in Saudi Arabia and some other countries, most people drive without a dashcam. I strongly believe that a car accident can be minimized if we use a dashboard camera, and people should start using dashcams in their car. In this presentation, I am going to try to persuade you to buy a dashcam and start recording the road for the following 3 reasons. First of all, it gives you evidence for a car accident. Second, it lets you catch dangerous drivers. And third, it records your road trips. Let me move to the body of my presentation. Although some people might ask why I should record everything happens on the road. Well, there are a lot of reasons, and I believe that there are many situations can be handled easily if you have a dashcam. Let me begin with my first point. It gives you evidence for a car accident. This is the main reason why millions of car drivers have decided to invest their time and money in dashcam. Simply, the camera will start recording as soon as you start your car's engine, and it will provide real-time, efficient, straight to the point proof in case of an accident. If you are involved in a car crash, then you can prove that it wasn't your fault, and you can use the video as evidence. This way, the other drivers will be responsible for the car crash, and he will pay for your car repairs. Without the videotape, the other party might put the mistake on you, as it sometimes happens that the responsible driver put the fault on the victim. Furthermore, the recording might protect others in accidents. For example, if an accident happens right in front of you, but in this case you are fine, the dashcam will provide valuable evidence that ensure the blame is going to the right person, and people will be thankful that you have a dashcam. The second point, that lets you catch dangerous drivers. One of the most obvious uses of dashcam is catching dangerous driver on the road. Many of us have had an encounter with a bad driver who drifted in the road or crossed the red signal or moved with a high speed. These reckless and irresponsible drivers are very troublesome and annoying. They might actually put the lives of other drivers and passengers in danger. However, reporting these bad drivers requires proof. This is where dashcam steps in providing proof against these irresponsible drivers. These people might cause an accident in the blink of an eye, and reporting them might be an overwhelming task, but if you record them and report them, this will reduce car accidents in the world. The third one, it records your road trips. This reason is important. If you love road trips and you always go with your family or friends in special trips. Moreover, you want to turn your road trips into an unforgettable journey that you can see at any time with your family or friends. This way, dashcam can help you and to turn your road trips into a great experience and memory that you will never forget. Simply, the dashboard camera will record your entire trip, but But if you are a creative person and you go to places that have a good nature on the road, the dashcam will help you to capture this memory. Then you can make your journey unique and produce a valuable footage. I hope I convince you to use dashcam, and let me briefly summarize the main point of my presentation. First, if you have a dashcam, you can have a first-hand evidence of a car accident, as it's better to have one and to stay in the safe side, as it can help you save a lot of time, money and trouble at the end. Second, dashcam is the perfect solution for a responsible driver, as you can stop these dangerous people by reporting them. Third, you can film your trips with dashcam if you go on a trip that others might be interested in or you would want to experience again. Finally, I want to say dashcam is a great investment and cost-effective tool that can help you in any unexpected situation. Think about how it can protect you and others from other drivers' blame in the event of a car crash, and think about those amazing videos you can come up with. So keep yourself safe and try to use dashcam. Thank you for listening.